How to draw a line with a specific length. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to draw a line with a specific length in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab, Draw panel, then Line command. Or you can type L in the command line, then click Enter. Specify the start point. Do one of the following to specify the length. Move the cursor to indicate the direction and angle, and enter the length, for example, 6.5. Or enter at, and the length, followed by the left angle bracket, and the angle, for example, at 6.5, left angle bracket, 45. Then press the spacebar or enter.